Hello guys, in today's video, I will be making a taser gun for only $4. Here are the parts needed for the taser gun. The heart of this project is this high voltage converter. How it works is by giving it 5 volts. You get around 40,000 volts. The wiring of this project is a simple on-off circuit with the addition of a LED and a push button. The first step would be to solder the TAP 4056 charging module onto the battery so that we have a way of charging the device. After that is done, now there is a flat side on both the cell holder and the high voltage converter, which would be glued together. Now we connect the switch on to the negative wire of the battery with 2 wires extending from it. Connect one of the wire to a push button and the other to the negative wire of the LED. Now, we connect the negative wire of the high voltage converter to the other side of the push button. After that, we connect the positive wire of the battery to the positive wires of the LED and the high voltage converter. Now we see that if we turn on the switch, the light also turns on. And if we push the button while the switch is on, we get to see some arcs. Now we just have to mount the button and the LED. For the tip, I will be using a bottle cap and 2 nails. I poked the nail through the cap, cut the nails to size, and finally, to hold them in place, I filled the cap with hot glue. Now we connect the 2 wires of the high voltage converter to the 2 nails. After that, we glue the cap onto the device. Now we see that the switch acts as a safety switch. If we push the button while the switch is off, nothing happens. But if we turn on the switch, the LED turns on, which acts as a warning light, and then press the button, we once again get arcs. The only thing left to do is to make the device look somewhat good, which I did by hiding the wires underneath some electrical tape. If you guys like the project, then do consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel.